So, you're planning some work in your garden. Great! Before you start, did you know digging in the wrong spot could lead to a gas leak which could result in costs to repair? That's why we've put these simple steps together. Step 1. Order your free Before You Dig plan at byda.com.au. Your plans usually come with information about the location of underground networks that directly connect to the meter box on your property. Your gas meter box may also contain a sticker showing where your gas service enters your property, so check there too. Step 2. Once you've gone over the available plans and you think you know where the gas lines are, it's time to locate your gas service. Dig in carefully, follow the copper pipe from your gas meter box. The pipes might change direction, colour and material, but if it's connected to the copper pipe, it's your gas service. Follow the pipe at short intervals. Continue to dig shallow and carefully to pothole along your gas service pipe. If your work involves the council verge, be aware of major infrastructure and consider hiring a professional locator before starting. If you see the word critical on the pipeline in your plan, or if you're unsure, do not proceed. Contact ATCO on 1300 926 755 during business hours. Now you know, you're good to go.